What happened, brother?
Yeah, I went to de-escalate fight.
You want to do what?
De-escalate fight. Two people were fighting, so...
You went to a challenge fight?
De-escalate fight.
Eh?
He went to disconnect fight.
Okay, you want to go and separate people that fight here?
Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir.
Is it what you are saying? You went to a challenge fight?
De-escalate.
Escalate.
De-escalate.
De-escalate.
Yes.
Yeah, you carry problem and begin to speak high grammar. De-escalate. You went to two people that fight here.
Yes.
Eh? So what do you mean by de-escalate?
A kind of separating them.
Okay, you went to de-escalate.
Yes.
That is means there's separating there.
Yes, yeah.
So the shona kujiga akaga.
Yes, yeah. I went to the hospital. They did X-ray. So the bone.
Okay, so you went to hospital. The house is already damaged.
Yeah, it's broken. The bone.
It broke.
Yeah, it's a broken bone.
You went to separate people from fight.
Yes.
Let's go straight to this soft grammar. Don't go to this bigger grammar. I have never heard this one before. De-escalate. It's like a DSS. I understand me?
Yes, sir.
Something like that.
Exactly.
DS. You understand me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Escalate. That is mean DSS.
Yes.
That is like a promotion.
Enwe di nwalu dibe. Shonya na enwe di. We dibe. Dibe ndidi kama. Onyo bele nya dibe o. Ndidi kama o di mo. Enwe di nwe gini dibe. Ana cholo nke banye na dibe. Iwe bido egwu ana ago. Dibe ndidi kama. Onyo mele nya dibe o. Ndidi kama no megomo. Many women are singing this song in their marriage. Dibeo, anemedio, ndidikama, onyo merenya dibeo, ndidikama no megomo. Emanu nata dibe, ihiga no budi. Na Jesus.
Yes,
You are
sir.
having pain at your heart?
Yes, sir.
You are a cross liver man.
Yes, sir.
You are a cross liver man.
Yes, sir.
How do you look at the church?
I watch it online.
Yeah?
I watch it online.
You watch it online.
Yes.
So where?
From Facebook.
Okay, from Facebook and cross liver.
Yes, sir.
So cross liver people are watching me.
Yes, sir.
Cross liver people, are they watching me?
Yes, sir.
Cross liver.
Calabar.
Okay, cross liver Calabar.
Yes, sir.
Uyo, Bolonu, Akwa Ibom, Yobe, Yamaturu. Kezinde ofu ekeleketa. Abia, Ola Shock. Makeke nyegbo Ola Shock gara state. Ya go na nkiba so ya dikwa egwu. Ebere emegbuo mo maase. Ụmụazị aye enyefe a na exam na school now. As Keva na Bozia, make a sentences of Keva na Bia, continent and what?
30 state or 50 state and capital.
Okay, make a state, make what? Make a 30 state and capital, yeah?
Yes,
when I get that, make your, make a what? 50 state and what?
Capital.
Hallelujah, make one. Makokwe always say Billy, well, I can't in feature. Capi state and capital, Anambala, Anambra, where? Oka, or Enugu, Abia, Omaya, Uyo, Yola, okay, Uyo, yeah, Akwa Ibom, Uyo, Calabar, Castema, Kaduna, Kanudu, Kanasi, Kamasu, Kadudu, Kaladi, Biginda, Waludu, Sanadu, Pekupia. Makiye keleketa abo. Onye kelifa, mamo onye. Onye adekwako ababu obodo mma akpụ ya. Onye adekwako onye kai.
I have not watched your program. It's only on comedy, something
All
like
the comment, thank God, I love that. You have never watched my program. It's always watching on content creators.
Yes.
All these content creators keep on posting my miracle. when you are doing your business, posting my miracles too. I'm warning you, post who I am, my capability, because you use me and creating a content to make money. Make sure you advertise the miracle that Jesus is doing me to do. I'm telling you, seriously.
What happened, brother?
Yeah, I went to de-escalate fight.
You want to do what?
De-escalate fight. Two people were fighting, so.
You went to a challenge fight?
De-escalate fight.
Eh?
He went to disconnect fight.
Okay, you went to go and separate people that fight here.
Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir.
Is it what you are saying? You went to a challenge fight?
De-escalate.
Escalate.
De-escalate.
De-escalate.